Hey girlies, I forgot about taking a video of my finished makeup look because of Friendsgiving, but here it is. Today, I want to talk about what it's like to be an East Asian with tan skin. Simply because growing up, I didn't have a lot of access to makeup tutorials for tan skin. And as you know, a lot of East Asians have a pale skin, and I have quite a tan skin. Rated by your own race. That sounds funny, but it's really not funny. You all are gonna get ready with me today. While I'm demonstrating my makeup routine, I'll share about my experiences. And I'm also going to share some tips for those of you who has tan skin like me. Okay, my roots will be puffy by the time we're done with the makeup, and let's start. I just have a house party today, so I will be putting on a more natural looking makeup. And I'm done with my skincare. And before I start with the setting spray. Usually I can skip this one, but because I have to last all night today, I'm gonna start with this. Let it dry. And I'm going to share two distinct experiences, one from my upbringing in South Korea and the other time from my time in the US. Next, I'm going to use this primer. I'm not going to put all over my face. I only want to put it on those areas where I think I have a bigger pore than the others. It's unnecessary to clog all the pores on my face. So my experience in South Korea can be summed up in one sentence. I often hear stories about racism from others, and many times I relate to their experiences because I faced similar challenges while growing up there as Korean. Yeah, racism by your own race. That sounds funny, but it's really not funny. This is the tinted moisturizer I will be using today, and it is light olive color. So throughout my childhood, I struggled to feel pretty or like I belonged. Other kids would tell me that I wasn't Korean, and I faced bullying that included some hurtful names like Black Pig, because I was also chubby and fat. And next, I'm going to use this spatula to even this out because I want to apply as thin as possible. Like I said, it is because I want to put something natural. So I want my skin to be as thin as possible, and spatula is the best for that. While I have numerous stories of bullying, those taunts were the mildest I can share at the moment. Interestingly, things started to shift a bit after K-pop star Lee Hyo-ri, the one who's known for 10 Minutes, became popular, which helped broaden the definition of beauty in Korea. But not by much, to be honest. Let's be honest, she's a celebrity and I was just a normal citizen. So that change in perception didn't really work on me, I think, but still helped. Even outings with my mom were kind of tricky. She has fair skin and people would often comment, "Oh, your daughter must spend a lot of time playing outside." And I'm thinking like, dude, like heck no, I spend most of the time inside eating chocolate. And that's probably why I was so obese. Not kidding, I'm not just saying this. I was seriously fat to the degree where medically concerning. I can't really see my mirror that well, but looks like I don't have enough. I'm not gonna put like perfect makeup today. I just wanted to chat with you and just be chill. And I don't have anyone to impress, if you know what I mean. So anyway, so this is after I'm done with the spatula, and then I'll show you some tips that will make your makeup last longer. So I'm gonna use sponge to press it down, but wait a second. My trick is you use this setting spray and then put it on a sponge. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some more. I don't want to waste it, you know? Okay, and then I'm going to start. One thing I'll say though, I regret not putting sunscreens early on and skipping my neck part. I'm trying my best to reverse that sun damage, but who knows. And because I didn't put sunscreens on my neck, my face is a lot lighter than my neck. That's why I'm matching all the foundation or tinted moisturizer for my neck, because I hate putting something on my neck. Honestly, I really don't care how tan I am, and nowadays I actually appreciate this because I think it looks good on me and I look hotter. Being tan skin as of right now, like in 2024, it's more about color matching because, you know, like I said, I hate putting foundation on my neck. So often I put darker color on my skin so that I don't have to put anything on my neck. I don't know, I just don't like putting something on my neck. Like it gets on my clothes, then you have to take it to dry cleaner. I don't know, it just doesn't come off when you do laundry. Am I done? Oh my gosh, my mirror is so far away from me. And next I'm going to put concealer around my nose and lips. I know how challenging it is to find the right shade, especially when you have the tan skin. I'll tell you this though, it's a lot harder in Korea. Whenever I visit Korea, I buy tons of cosmetics and skincare products, and I never buy foundation there because their darkest color is like so light for me. It's a joke. And am I the only one who has this tan skin? No, there are others. I don't know why they don't make it for everyone. One time I walked into Olive Young, which is quite a big cosmetic stores in South Korea. And the one who works there was like, okay, I asked, do you have a different shade? She gave me very sympathetic look and she was like, oh, we don't have anything for you in Korean. That's hilarious. But if you go to department store, they carry a lot of Western brands like Dior, Chanel. Sometimes they do have a darker shade, but still sometimes not dark enough for my skin tone. Oh, actually, I'm so happy to see some of the movements from Korean skincare and makeup brands. I mean, they did it to cater US market because in US there's way more diversity in skin tone, but still, I like that. I appreciate that. I think the brand is called Tiru. They just launched a lot of shades on cushions. So here I'm not going to put concealer under my eye because I want it to be natural. If I put concealer, it will look cakey, and that's not what I'm looking for tonight. Now that I'm done, I'm going to spray one more time and let it dry. Now that it's dried, I'm going to apply loose powder. I just need a little bit, and then make sure my brush eats all of them so I can apply it evenly. I remember growing up, like I think I heard this from like radio or TV. Some celebrities who has tan skin, they were saying well, their makeup artists, they were saying they couldn't get foundation from Korea for their celebs, so they would order some stuff from overseas. That's like 20 years ago. Just saying. And moving to America was a game changer. Suddenly I was receiving a lot of compliments on my skin, and I found makeup that matched me beautifully. And this is a huge benefit of living in a place where diversity is embraced. More embraced than South Korea. We still have a long way to go. Anyway, I'm done with the powder. I'm going to spray this one more time. The reason I do this every layer is because I want this makeup to last. So usually I've seen girls, they only put it all the way at the end. That's still good too, but this gotta last really, really long time, all night. Once I'm done with all the colors, I'm going to spray one more time. So after foundation, highlighter, and blush. And I'm using powder. I could have used liquid because I want more natural look. And who wants to hear my dating story around tan skin? Me? Okay, I had no problem dating in Korea with tan skin, okay? I think I was still cute. I'm not drunk. I'm just trying to make it as funny as possible for you. Anyway, especially after my weight loss transformation, I'll say this. I wasn't the type of girl who's like everyone's first love. But guys who liked me, they liked me. They liked my look. Maybe a word, what is it called? Mania? That sounds about right. Not even joking. So I quickly learned, as long as you're cute and pretty, there are people who will love you. It sounds weird, but I'm saying this from the perspective of someone who got bullied for having tan skin. Because when I was a little, I thought I got bullied because of my tan skin. And partially it is true, but that's not true after, teenage or you become adult. Kids can be kind of mean because they don't know anything better. You know what? I'm putting a pink color blush, and I want to talk about this in my next video because a big conception around the colors, there's a pink tone versus orange tone. And oftentimes, I got mistaken because of my tan skin. Everyone thought I would look better with orange, but that's so wrong. I actually look a lot better in pink. Next, I'm gonna put highlighter. This is creamed highlighter, but I'm going to use this brush to make it more natural. Even as an adult in the States, I'll still encounter questions about my appearance. People often ask if I was born this way or if I intentionally tanned my skin. And when I said people, I meant East Asian guys. Not everyone, but some of them. It's perplexing because it feels like the color of my skin is their primary concern when we've just met. I've noticed when I go on a dates with Asian American men, my skin color is often one of the first topics of discussion. Ooh, not just Asian Americans, Asian too. Some express a preference for lighter skin tones, and others even say I will be more popular in the States than in Asia because of my skin tone. Isn't that kind of rude? I'm popular either way, geez. I'm sure they mean it well, and while I appreciate the comments, I sometimes wonder what they really mean. Are they that ignorant? Probably. There's reason why I'm not with those men. But that kind of questions, Other ethnicity guys will never ask. Only Asian guys will ask me that kind of questions. Isn't it so interesting? And now I'm gonna put shadings. I have a slightly uneven figure of my shape. I think this side is bigger than this side. So normally I put a little bit more here, or I start this side first, because when you just put the shading products on the brush, that brush has way more than, brushes now. Like I'm putting a little more, right? But it will still have less amount than the very first. So then I go to this side. It is essential to acknowledge the nuances of beauty standards across cultures. While my experience in Korea shaped my views, moving to America allowed me to embrace my tan skin and appreciate the diversity that exists. Today we're doing the natural look, so instead of using eyeliner, I'm going to use very dark color of eyeshadow and put it as an eyeliner. Let me show you. Camera, zoom in please. And a little bit under too. And then I'm going to use both lighter brown and then darker color together, so I can put it front area of my eyes. You don't want to use the same color, then it would look kind of heavy. Like that. So your eyes look a little deeper. Point here is you want to do it like barely noticeable kind of style. That's it. So now that all the color's done, I'm going to spray one more time. Let it dry. There's so many ways to play around with this color of skin. You can also do K-pop look on this skin too. I figured it out. Let me know if you want to see it. I'll make another video for you. And it was great talking to you. I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Not bye yet. I forgot my lips. Hold on. I almost forgot. We still gotta do lips. And I'm going to use this tint I bought in Korea. Oh my gosh, my lips so dry. I want natural, but I still want that thicker look over lip. So what I do is I put here once, and then with the little bit of leftover, I draw a line. I do this because, oh gosh, can't multitask. I do this because if I use a lip pencil or lip liner, my makeup would immediately look a lot more than what I actually have done on my face. So I'm trying to only use one product. Okay, now we're done. Okay, I have a party to prepare. It's a Friendsgiving party. So I'm gonna have to do my hair and actually record one more video before I throw a party. Anyway, it was so nice talking to you. And if you liked watching my video, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as always. And I'll speak to you next time. Bye. So anyway, I love you all. Bye.